Donnie. You know, huwag mo na pahirapan sarili mo. You know, take time. Huwag mo tapos kailangan tumama rin yung screen kasi pinapapagod mo na yung big man mo pag hindi mo siya gamitin. Come on. Hey, come on. Pagod na kalaban nyo. Come on. Mataas. Baunin mo. Nice! There you go, Donnie. Oh, set it up. Okay, back pick, angat Donnie, angat. There, see? There, good shot. Dito ka lumabas, kasi libre ka. Ang ginawa mo, pumunta ka dito sa masikip, everyone's here. Lahat ng tao na dito. Binigyan ka ng screen sayang. Yeah, good read though. Okay, let's go. What do you want? Nice, set it up. Nice, Joao. Take it, wala na. Take that. Good rebound, Nice, Donnie! Donnie, huwag mo galawin yung bola. If you make it, huwag mo na galawin. Alright, good practice, boy. Thank you sa but let's moving forward. Sabi ko nga pag hindi tayo umabot 10, huwag na mag-practice kasi sayang oras siya sa part namin. Nakakapagod din paulit-ulit ituro. Pero itong practice na to, one of the best. Ang ganda ng energy nyo, ang ganda ng binigay nyo, tsaka nakikinig. And you guys love the game. Yun lang yun ganun ka-simple. But to set the example, everyone's busy but, you know, kapag gusto, lagi may paraan. And Donnie's, kumbaga sa level natin, he's a vet na. Ilang years na siya naglalaro. So he knows, especially he knows kapag kasama ako, we always try to do this as a team and as a unit. Walang pabida dito. Alam ni Donnie yan. And again, doesn't need to be Michael Jordan, but he has to set the example and bring everyone together. So, Donnie, thank you, brother. And yeah, let's just enjoy this. But at the same time, sana may matutunan kayo sa basketball. All right, thank you. All right, guys, so tapos na tayo dito sa first practice natin for Star Magic Basketball. Star Magic All-Star, and we're getting ready.